everyone. Welcome to the course of Digital Logic Design. In today's class, we are going to learn how to subtract BCD numbers. Okay. So these particular BCD numbers can be subtracted with the help of 8421 code or the BCD code. So we are going to take a couple of decimal numbers and we are going to subtract them. Okay. So let's take the first problem. So perform the following decimal subtraction in 8421 code or BCD code. Okay, so let's take the first problem. So our first problem is 38 minus 15. Okay, so generally 38 minus 15 gives 23. Okay, so let's see whether we will be getting the same value for the BCD or not. So for the BCD number of 3 is 0011. For 8 is 1000. For 1 is 0001. And for 5 is 0101. Okay. So let's subtract the numbers. 0011, 1000, 0001, 0101 minus. So 0 minus 1 will be, we can't subtract. So you need to borrow a number from here. Here the position is already 0. Okay. So let's take a number from here. But here also the position, what you see is 0 only. So we need to borrow the number from here. Okay. So as soon as you borrow this particular one to here, the 1 comes over here and this becomes 0. Okay. So here there are two numbers, right? Or 10 is binary of 2. So put 2 over here. Now this one should be carried over here at this place. So put 1 over here and remove this. So as this 1 has transferred over this place, this 2 will become 1. Okay. Now here at this position we have two values. And this one again goes over here. Okay. As soon as this particular one goes over here, this 2 will again become 1. Now here 10 is 2. Okay. We have two values, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. This is how to subtract. So again 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So 0010 is 2 and 0011 is 3. Okay. See, 38 minus 15, the answer what we got is 23. Okay. This is how to subtract. Now let's take a bigger value and see how it can be subtracted. Okay. 206.7 minus 147.8. Okay. So 206.7 minus 147.8 gives around 058.9. This is the answer what we get if we subtract this value. Okay. Now let's see the binary subtraction and check. So 2 BCDs 0 0 1 0, 0 BCDs 0 0 0 0, 6 BCDs 0 1 1 0, 7 is 0 1 1 1. Okay. And for 1 is 0 0 0 1, 4 is 0 1 0 0, 7 we already have, and 8 is 1 0 0. Okay, these are the BCD values what we have. Okay, so let's write down the number 2 0 6.7 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 4 0 1 1 point 0 0 0. Okay, this is the value we need to subtract. Okay, so let's 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is again 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1, we need to borrow the number from here. Okay, so from here I need to borrow the number here. But here also I have the position 0 only. So I should borrow the number from here to here. So whenever I borrow, this 1 becomes 0 and this becomes 1 0. Okay, 1 0 means value 2. As I transfer this particular 1 to here, this 2 becomes 1. Okay, and this is the value to what we have here. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Put the decimal point as it is. 0 minus 1, again we have 0 here. So transfer 1 over here. So this becomes 0 and this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. And this has become 0, right? 0 minus 1 can't be done. So you need to borrow this 1 from here to here. Okay. So this will be transferring bit by bit. Okay. Wherever the 1 has been transferred, that will become 2. Remaining all becomes 1. And the 1 which has gone from here has become 0. Okay. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay. Now, if you see this particular data, 0 0 0 has value 0. 1 0 1 1 is value 11. 1 1 1 0 is value 14. And all ones is value 15. Okay. But the answer what we need is 058.9. Okay. But here we got all errors. So all the data which has in all this 4-bit data which is having value greater than 9 should be subtracted with value 6. 6 means 0 1 1 0. Okay. So whichever the bit or particular data is having greater than 9 value. So if you see over here, the first one is 0, then it is okay. 11th, 11, 14, 15. All these three are greater than 9. So what we need to do is we need to subtract them with value 6. So the BCD of 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Let's subtract this. So what is 1 minus 0? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Point. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, we need to borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 0 and this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 0 minus 0 is 0 and remaining all zeros. Okay. So let's see the value of 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1 is 5. 1, 0, 0 is 8.1001 is 9. Okay. 0, 5, 8.9 is the answer. See, it has been verified with this particular value. This is how to do the subtraction with respect to the BCD numbers.